Welcome guys to another video, and yeah, so this is another chugging video in which I know I've been doing a lot of these lately, but I haven't really had other ideas that I can hold off on these. But I also have this, and it's Orange Sunkist, so I'm not going to enjoy this one either because I did Orange Crush. That was the last one. If you didn't see that one, go check that one out. And check all my other chuggy videos. I'm going to probably eventually making a playlist of all my chugging videos and stuff. But, yeah. So, this time I'm going to be doing, of course, Orange Crush. I showed you. The last one, Orange Crush, you know, if you've seen it, spoiler alert, I actually did not burp and I won the challenge. But that does not mean I'm going to be stopping doing this challenge. I'm just going to keep going, chug as many drinks as possible that I can get my hands on, I can chug and stuff. And I know probably a lot of you guys don't want me chugging cans, because cans are not super hard, but it's not me chugging them that's the big emphasis on this challenge. It's trying not to burp. So cans are allowed. If I was doing a chugging challenge, I would do 20 ounces and stuff. But enough talking, like Badlands Chug says. Enough talking. I need to get to the chug. It's like 2 minutes in. We're gonna get to the chug. Like and subscribe, turn the notifications on. Yeah. Let's do this. Oh. Barely any left. Okay. The chug is done. I can already feel a burp brewing. I'm gonna try not to burp. Hey, what a problem, man? I'm spinning all these pills like I'm a laundromat. Oh, God. I don't know where that came from, but... Oh, I just wanna... Whew. Pow, 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 pow. It's not even full power. Oh, this... Probably look constipated. I probably sound constipated. Oh, I feel the burp. It's like right in the back of my throat. I'm going for 30 more seconds. It's making my head itch. Oh. Boo. Boo, boo, boo. It's making me beatbox. Okay, I definitely done more than 30 more seconds. God. just know if you're gonna do these kind of challenges, that, yeah, it doesn't feel too good. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. I'm gonna see, or it's got me, my head messed up. I'll see you guys in the next video. And like and subscribe. What drink should I chug next? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Man. Whew. Man, my stomach hurt. Hey.